Coaster King POV, watch it later. It'll be out. All right, front row, POV, pipeline at SeaWorld Orlando. First of its kind prototype. Oh, dude, I'm like low-key freaking out. Fuck. Yeah. Oh! Holy! Oh! Holy shit! Oh! What the fuck? Oh! Ah! Shit! Oh! Shit! Oh! Oh! Shit! That hurts like shit! Oh! Holy fuck! Uh-oh. Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my! Holy shit! Oh fuck! That was so much. Oh! Alright, that was. That was.
Now sit back with your back against the seat and head against the headrest.
Bro, this is front row POV on Icebreaker at SeaWorld Orlando. Why do we get so close to that? I don't like that. This is so weird. It's like we're not even on a coaster. Like, honestly. And then, like, it goes quick, dude. Like, right when you get locked in. Chill. Oh, dude, this is gonna be. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, my. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, my gosh, that felt weird. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, yeah, shit. Oh. Whoa! Oh shit! Whoa! Okay, little. Oh. Wave turn. Whoa! Yeah, that's bad. Oh! Ooh, definitely not worth waiting for, but that was a good time. It was fun.
5.8. Yeah.
Mako, front row, POV, SeaWorld Orlando.
Today we're gonna be riding Kraken's flight.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, you cannot. Whoa, we're getting up there, not gonna lie. I haven't been up here in a while. This lift is steeper than Fury. Oh no! Oh shit! Oh, that's a steep jump! Oh! Oh shit! Oh, that was sick! Oh! Oh my gosh! Hell yeah! Oh! Oh, insane floater! Whoa! Holy shit! This is gas, yeah. Whoa! Oh, a little bit of air time. Oh, shit. Wave turn. Whoa! Oh, sick. Yeah. Oh! Oh my gosh, that's so fun. We gotta rip that back row.
Yeah.
Front row POV on Penguin Trek at SeaWorld Orlando. Hey, that's pretty high, not gonna lie. Hey, whoa! And these B&Ms are still kind of rough. Oh, shit! Why are these B&Ms so rough? Like, how rattly? Hey. Alright, B&M's gotta figure it out. That's kind of tight. That's so rough. I started the video so late and it's crooked, I think. I think it's being filmed the wrong way. Front row POV on Manta at SeaWorld Orlando. That is so intense. Oh my fucking god. Oh my, oh shit. Oh. 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 Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Hey. Oh shit. That was sick. Oh! What the fuck? Oh, that's alright. That was so good. The pretzel was fucking sick. Kraken. Kraken, front row. Point of view. SeaWorld Orlando. Yeah, I wish I was on the Mako right now, yeah. The job's kind of big on this thing. Look how big the Orca arena is. Very slow. Oh shit. Shoot. Oh! Ow! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Shit! What the fuck? Oh! Fuck! Oh! Oh, I need Advil.
I like dick.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh! It smells like Finkelstein. Oh! Oh, no, 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 no! No! Oh! Alright, who's behind us? That's way better than Dominator, though. I like it much better than Dominator.
You gotta be doing something wrong.
I like that a lot better than Dominator.
My legs are ripped off.
Stop.